Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oat cookies. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need things like flour, oats, baking soda, butter, sugar, and eggs. Make sure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps everything combine smoothly. Having everything ready before you start makes the baking process much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix our dough. Start by creaming together your softened butter and sugars until they are light and fluffy. Next, beat in your eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Finally, slowly incorporate your dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Drop rounded spoonfuls of your delicious oat cookie dough onto a prepared baking sheet. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart so they have room to spread without touching. Bake your cookies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes to firm up. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from getting soggy. For optimal freshness, store your fully cooled oat cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.